Come with me to the deep blue sea. So many friends, happy and free. Fish swim fast, shiny and bright. They flick their tails, what a sight. Dolphins jump high, splashing with cheer. They sing their songs for all to hear. Octopus waves with 8 long arms, hiding in coral safe from harms. Crab walks sideways, click-clack feet, snapping claws on sandy street. Sea turtle glides, gentle and slow, over the reef where corals grow. Starfish rests, shining and bright, sticking to rocks with all its might. Whales sing songs, deep and loud, echoing gently under the cloud. Seahorse sways, tiny and sweet, dancing slowly to ocean's beat. Under the sea, what a magical place, so many friends with a happy face. Come back again, swim and play, the ocean is fun every day.